Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding using Agar Agar. First, understand that Agar Agar is a fantastic plant-based alternative to gelatin, perfect for creating firm, delicious puddings. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to achieving that perfect set. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a delightful dessert that everyone will love. Let's dive in and start cooking. To begin, gather your core ingredients: Agar Agar powder, your chosen liquid such as milk or water, and a sweetener like sugar or maple syrup. Don't forget flavorings. Think fruit purees, cocoa powder, or vanilla extract to personalize your pudding. Accurate measurements are key for the best texture, so have your measuring cups and spoons ready. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and successful pudding. Now for the cooking. First, fully dissolve the Agar Agar powder in your cold liquid. This prevents clumps. Next, bring the mixture to a boil, stirring constantly, then reduce heat and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes to activate the gelling properties. Finally, pour the hot liquid into your desired molds and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Patience is key for a perfectly set pudding. Once your pudding is set, the fun begins with customization. Feel free to experiment with various flavors, natural food colorings, and exciting toppings. Fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings can elevate your dessert. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Agar Agar pudding, crafted just the way you like it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.